This is the receptor and the control center. But then it tells the effector to do something else. Whereas with extrinsic, it's initiated outside of the organ. So everything is in the organ, with intrinsic, but extrinsic, things are initiated outside of the organ. Right. And these coordinate the body systems are usually done through the nervous and endocrine system for extrinsic, because these two systems can control things from longer distances because our nerves are all through our body. Endocrine system, I don't quite know, but. So it says most of the more complex homeostatic systems like regulating blood pressure require extrinsic controls because you are using multiple organs and body parts to respond to the stimulus that causes the imbalance. So this is a long distance control that requires coordination. The control center is going to be the nervous or the endocrine system. Output signals from the control system are going to be more widespread than intrinsic control systems. So then going back to intrinsic control, it basically means that the cells in the vicinity of the change initiate the response, which means that the receptor is in the same place as the control center. So intrinsic controls are localized or in the same place to usually one organ or one area, so the receptor cells are going to be close to the control center cells. Simply put, the receptors and the control center are going to be within the same organ. So intrinsic, same organ, extrinsic, outside of it. So going back to the examples of negative and positive feedback, an example of this would be the pancreas controlling our blood sugar. So the receptor cells are within the pancreas. They sense the change, and they also are the control center to tell the pancreas, hey, something's wrong. And within intrinsic controls, the response sent out by the control center, which is the pancreas. Okay, so within intrinsic, the receptor tells the control center. But then the control center, it doesn't have to be within the pancreas. It can pull on something else that's close or localized.
And that's still within the intrinsic, as long as it's close. But if it's far, which are the two examples you gave?
Nervous and endocrine. That's the
Sounds
best.
good to me.
Me too.
Thanks for studying with us, where nursing school is simple, sweet, and easy to repeat. If you found this helpful, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share with a nursing friend.
See you next lesson.